안녕하세요.
Welcome to Lesson 3 of our Korean grammar series. Today, we are diving into Lesson 3, where we'll explore the fascinating world of the present tense. Whether you're just starting to learn the language or looking to refresh your skills, this lesson will provide you with a solid foundation in using the present tense correctly. Lesson 3. Present tense. So, let's jump right in and discover how to express actions, habits, and current situations with ease. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's begin our language journey together. The present tense is used to express actions, events, or states that are happening right now or are generally true. The present tense form of verbs is relatively simple to construct. To form the present tense of regular verbs, you usually remove the ending from the verb stem. The verb stem is the base form of the verb before any endings are added. Then, add the appropriate present tense ending based on the verb type. 1.
요.
Verbs. For verbs ending in vowels,
뭐,
you add
아요.
and, if it's not,
뭐,
you add.
어요.
For the verb stem, add,
여요.
which turns into
하여해.
use.
아니에요.
For negative sentences. Examples 1.
가다, 가 플러스 아요는 가요.
To go.
먹다, 플러스 어요는 먹어요.
To eat.
공부하다, 공부하 플러스 여요는 공부해요.
To study. 2. Consonant plus. Verbs. For verbs ending in a consonant followed by you add.
어요.
For declarative sentences or
지 않아요.
for negative sentences. Examples.
사랑하다. 사랑아 플러스 여요 등호 사랑해요. 피곤하다. 피곤하 플러스 여요 등호 피곤해요.
2. Irregular verbs. Some verbs have irregular present tense forms that you need to memorize, as they don't follow the regular patterns. Examples.
하다. 해요.
To do.
오다. 와요.
To come. Here are some examples of present tense sentences in Korean.
저는 공부해요. 저는 공부해요.
Translation. I study.
친구가 먹어요. 친구가 먹어요.
Translation. My friend eats.
오늘 날씨가 좋아요. 오늘 날씨가 좋아요.
Translation. The weather is good today.
그들은 이래요. 그들은 이래요.
They work.
어디 가요? 어디 가요?
Where are you going?
한국어를 배워요. 한국어를 배워요.
I learn Korean.
제니는 노래를 부르지 않아요. 제니는 노래를 부르지 않아요.
Jenny doesn't sing.
우리 가족은 함께 시간을 보내요. 우리 가족은 함께 시간을 보내요.
Our family spends time together.
학생들이 숙제를 하고 있어요. 학생들이 숙제를 하고 있어요.
The students are doing their homework.
이 영화는 재미있어요. 이 영화는 재미있어요.
This movie is interesting. Remember that the subject can often be omitted in Korean sentences when it's clear from the context. Also, note that polite speech is commonly used in present tense sentences, especially in formal or polite situations.
Polite language is often used in formal or unfamiliar situations, while casual forms are used with close friends or in informal settings. Consistent practice and exposure to various contexts will improve your proficiency in using the present tense in Korean.
감사합니다.
That wraps up Lesson 3. Present tense. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future lessons. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comments section below. Until next time.
안녕히 계세요.